My name is Megan Benson, and I graduated from UW-Madison in 2004 with a Bachelor's of Science degree in biology as well as women's studies, which is now the Gender and Women's Studies department. So I currently work for Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin as the Director of Education. I oversee a team of about 12 people who provide school and community-based health education. After I graduated from the University of Wisconsin, I actually went straight to graduate school for public health. So I have my master's in public health from the University of Illinois at Chicago. And that was really kind of a perfect fit for me with my biology background and my women's studies background. The two fields really merged for me and led me on my journey into public health. I ultimately ended up getting a job at Planned Parenthood, and I've been there for about 8 years. So when I started out at Planned Parenthood, I was the Dane County Community Education Programs Manager, so really focused on delivering programs in Madison and throughout the rest of Dane County. And after about 3 years in that role, I received a promotion and became the Director of Education, where I took over managing the entire education team across the state. I do not have a typical day at Planned Parenthood, and I actually really enjoy that because I get to do so much different work. So every once in a while I do still get to go into schools and talk with young people about different health issues. I also do some programming with parents and other adults to help them feel more comfortable talking to young people about those issues. I have the opportunity to do a lot of professional training. So within our agency we do training for our health center staff, and we also do training for folks out in the community, including social workers and other healthcare providers, teachers, other school staff. So I'm oftentimes running around the state doing different programs, different trainings. Another really important part of my job is connecting with other people and organizations and building relationships and building support for the work that we do. And so I have an opportunity to be on a lot of different committees and involved with different coalitions and collaborations. So I'm often also running around to different meetings in Madison as well as in Milwaukee and other parts of the state. Yes, I think multicultural competence is very important in the work that I do because sexual and reproductive health affects everybody, and everybody has different values and beliefs, things that they've heard from their community, from their family, and it's just really important to understand where different people are coming from when you are trying to impact health behavior, because things like values and beliefs are so important to individuals when they're making decisions, that we need to be able to address those factors when we're talking about being healthy. I think to make the most of your undergraduate career, it's really important to look at all the potential opportunities that are out there. Certainly classes are important, and we want everybody to go to their classes and do well and get good grades, but also looking for other opportunities, so volunteer opportunities, internship opportunities, job opportunities, and in particular on this campus, I know there are so many student jobs that can really feed into what people want to do once they're done with college. And I would say one thing I've definitely learned in my own career path is you can make plans, but things never work out exactly the way you think they're going to, and that's okay.